Good evening, everybody. How's everyone doing today on this cold night? Are we doing all right, everybody? Well, thank you for being out here to the Holly Jolly Fest. If I am correct, Katie, is it our 11th or 12th? 12th. It is our 12th annual Holly Jolly Fest. My name is George Alpogianis. I want to introduce the trustees here in the Village of Niles. John Jeckett is here. Trustee Dean Strzelecki. Scotty O'Brien. Scotty O'Brien's commissioner in the Park District. Danette O'Donovan Matthias, trustee in the Village of Niles. Soon to be trustee Susan DiBartolo. AJ Moody, soon to be trustee. Park District Commissioners, Ronnie Strzelecki, Dennis O'Donovan, Judy Geminwaldi, Luella Preston, a trustee for 28 or 9 years here in the Village of Niles, and very adamant about doing the 125th anniversary party out here this summer. She was on the committee. Asif, Ed, Kim, and Kelly. Put your hands up, everybody. See, these are our main township trustees as well are here. Mike, from a state level, we've got Mike Kelly here, as well as Ron Villavalon, the senator was here earlier. Senator Laura Murphy was also here. They all said to say hello to you. Thank you. Oh, Luke, say hi to everybody.
Hello.
So I'm going to keep this quick because it is cold. Has anyone seen the Grinch out here today? The Grinch is trying to stop this party, and I have all the policemen out here looking for the Grinch. Has anyone seen the Grinch? If you see the Grinch, you need to come here and tell me you see the Grinch because he's trying to stop the party, okay? We can't let him stop the party. You can't, no, those are little Grinches. I'm looking for the big real Grinch. Hello, mini Grinch. Oh, there's a whole Grinch family. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. But the real Grinch is here somewhere trying to stop the party. I also want to let everyone know this is a great event. It's put together by not only us, but the Niles Park District and the Niles Main Library. I want to thank all of you for a beautiful year again here in the Village of Niles. Our 125-year committee is here as well. Luella Preston here was heading it. The new holiday tree that has been planted will be planted here in honor of the 125th and our permanent home here for Holly Jolly. The Grinch wants to turn off everything. You are right, Lucas. Thank you for telling me that. So I want to thank all of our big sponsors out here tonight: Papa Galino Bakery, Cafe, the City Line Bible Church. I also want to give recognition. Where's Katie Schneider and Christina Vasilik? They're the ones that really do all the hard work. We give them crazy ideas and they get it done. Kids, have you seen the Grinch yet? No. I haven't seen him yet. I'm looking for him. Anyways, during these holidays, please be safe. Please be safe and enjoy your family. What are we looking at? Oh my God, the Grinch is here! Get out of here, Grinch! Get out of here! Uh-oh! He's got the cord for the tree. Hold on. The button isn't working. Get the Grinch! Uh-oh, hold on. Is that Santa Claus? What's over there? Thanks, Santa, come on in. We're gonna get you, Grinch. Where's our policemen and where are our police officers? Niles' finest. Where are you? I have them in place. Get that Grinch down and get him and arrest him. Get him out of here. Are we getting him down? Let's. Boo! Boo for the Grinch! Boo! 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 Go home, Grinch! Boo! Boo! Get that Grinch! Get out of here! Go back to your mountain! Get out of here, Grinch! Get him, guys! Get him, guys! Did the police get the Grinch? Good job, guys. Good job, everybody. All right, well, I have a bunch of kids up here that want to light the Christmas tree. Come on, Santa, we need you. Semper Fi, Santa. Semper Fi. Okay, kids, everyone get around this. Kids, everyone put your hands on the post. Everyone on the post. Okay, everybody. Now, very gentle. Put your hand on top of mine. All right? You got this? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Good job, everybody. Great job. Folks, thank you for being out here this evening. We're not done. Hold on tight because we got drones and fireworks going up any moment now. Merry Christmas and happy holidays from all of us in the Village of Niles to you and your great families. And let's keep in this town getting better and better every year, all because of all of you out here. Thank you very much.